Hello, Goenkans. We are going through chapter life processes, page number 95. Fine. We were going through human digestive system. We are done with that. Let's go through summary of digestion of food in the human body. Fine. Let's start with mouth. What happens in mouth? What we also call buccal cavity, oral cavity. Salivary amylase is present there. Salivary amylase is also known as alpha amylase or ptyalin. It's present in the mouth. This salivary amylase softens the food and converts starch into sugar. That means this enzyme salivary amylase works on carbohydrates, converting starch into sugar. We can say into glucose. Glucose is the simple form. 30% carbohydrate digestion takes place in oral cavity. Then there is mechanical breakdown of food into small pieces by the teeth. Mechanical breakdown. Chemicals are not involved. Big pieces of food, they are converted into smaller pieces. That is mechanical breakdown, and that is aided by teeth. Teeth help in mastication. We call it mastication. Then the food which is formed in the mouth is known as bolus. That bolus goes to stomach via esophagus. Fine. Esophagus is a tube-like structure. It has no role in digestion. It's just a passage. So food is broken down into soluble substances by digestive enzymes. Where? In mouth, in stomach, in small intestines. The first part of small intestines, duodenum. Food is broken down into soluble substances. It's broken down into glucose, amino acids, simple fats. Fine. So food is digested by enzymes that you need to remember. Digested food is absorbed through gut wall into the bloodstream. Try to understand this. Food got digested, complex got converted into simple. Complex food is proteins, carbohydrates, fats. What we take in our diet. For example, we are taking chapatis, we are taking milk, we are taking butter, we take rice. It has complex substances in it. Complex substances are present in this food. Complex substances means these carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Body needs to digest them. Body needs to convert these complex substances into simple substances. And what helps in this conversion? Enzymes help in this conversion. They convert complex food into simple food. Carbohydrates are converted into glucose, proteins are converted into amino acids, fats are converted into glycerol fatty acids. And these things are absorbed by the blood. Blood absorbs them. They go into the bloodstream. See, the parts of this digestive system, or we can say all parts of our body, are surrounded by blood capillaries. Blood is there. So the soluble food passes through the gut wall. Gut wall means alimentary canal wall. Alimentary canal is also known as gut, G-U-T, gut. Fine. So soluble food passes through the gut wall into the bloodstream. So absorption of these substances takes place. As I discussed yesterday, if these soluble substances, if this simple food does not get absorbed, it will get ejected from the body via urine, for example, or feces. If glucose is in urine, it's a disease. If amino acids are present in urine, again a disease. Or fatty acids, glycerol, they should not come out with the urine. They should get absorbed by the body. Otherwise there is no fun of digestion, isn't it? So if complex is getting converted into simple, those simple substances should get absorbed by the body. Fine. They get absorbed by the body, and this and the blood conveys it to liver. It's conveyed to liver. These things are conveyed to liver via hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein is there, which takes this digested food and it goes to the liver. There it is stored. Fine. Glucose is stored as glycogen. Digested food is stored and processed. Processing also takes place there. Modifications are there. And it is stored there. And whatever is required, that body will require. Fine. So this absorption takes place mainly in jejunum and ileum. Remember this point, jejunum and ileum are responsible for absorption of these simple food particles. Up to duodenum, there is digestion. Little bit of absorption is there, but not much. Maximum absorption takes place in jejunum and ileum. Then this food moves to the large intestines. What happens in large intestines? There is absorption of water, there is absorption of electrolytes. And the waste goes to the rectum in the form of feces. It's stored there for some time and then is removed through anus. So indigestible material removed from the body through anus is known as egestion. Whatever body does not require, body finds that toxic, it's toxic. If a body retains those substances, the wastes, that will again lead to a disease. Even it can prove fatal. Fatal means it can lead to death. So body needs to eject them. Body should not retain them because they are poisonous, they are highly toxic. This is summary of digestive system. You might have drew this digestive system on your body. That was on your notebook. So what I mean to say is, go through it from your textbook. It's on page number 95. Go for a thorough reading. Diagram is there. You were supposed to draw that diagram on your fair notebook. Fine. And then you will attempt few questions from the exercise. Question number 1 to question number 4 you will do on your fair notebooks. I hope things are clear to you. Thank you, Goenkans. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Bye-bye.